Carnival Panorama, third cruise on this ship, first impression. Let's check it out here. So this is the room. This is what you'll see when you first come in. Room undisturbed. Got our water already delivered. All of the cupboards, good. Oh yeah, this is first impression here. I've never seen a cruise ship with drawers yet. This is good. A lot of good space here. Get some light going. Try and get some light going. Turn on the lights later. Forget the lights. Plenty of good full-length storage here. Restroom. Right here. Good shower. Nice big spacious bathroom, real bathroom with a real door. A lot of these new ships are coming without doors on the bathroom now, basically no privacy. Nice big bed, nice big screen, and it says this: welcome aboard Carnival Panorama, Franklin and Christina. Is it a touchscreen? Ready? No, it's not a touchscreen. That'd be hilarious. It'll work great. So let's see what this. I booked this room because it's called a Cove balcony. The Cove balcony, what makes it different is privacy. I know it's got a big old pipe there, but is the outside of your balcony is the literal outside of the ship. And the other ones are just basically separated by glass, and I liked the idea of being this close to the water. As we're cruising. During big storms, they will lock this door so that I don't know if they're worried about waves coming up here or not. But I wanted to be here. I mean, check out the thrusters on the bottom of that lifeboat there. Pretty cool. So let's see what we can see looking over without falling off the ship. Guy painting. He's painting. Hi. He's waving at us. How nice. Cool. So they're still painting this ship. It's awesome that Carnival, no matter how old a ship is, they always are painting and taking good care of it. But this is the Cove balcony. Let's go through it a little more and take a little bit better of a look. The wife is moving in. Got a nightstand on that side of the bed there. Another nightstand. And waste basket, good stool, drawer, hair dryer. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, fridge. And that's a bigger fridge than I've seen on other Carnival ships. It's nice and cold in there. If you're wondering if you could store medication in there, it's cold enough to do so. And you could even put another, get some ice if you need it from the upstairs. We bring our own sodas. And that helps us save a lot of money on the ships. They let you bring, I think, 1 or 2 cases per person. And I do bring a Bluetooth speaker. I'm not sure how it'll hook up to that. That's another hack I have, life hack. And so, but that's pretty much it. This turns into a bed here. And that's a bed there. There's no Pullman bed where it would pull down in this room. Oh, let's do one more thing. Open this window here. We did get a room with a view. And I think this is the same view you'd get without a Cove balcony. But there'd just be more glass at the bottom. But I thought it would be cool to get the Cove balcony, and I really like it. All right, I recommend this room. Go to carnival.com. I think they should sponsor me and give away a free cruise if I get 1 million likes for this video. Go ahead and like this video, and it's up to Carnival to provide the cruise. I think they should. I think once I get 1 million views, maybe they'll get 1,000 people booking this room. It's room 2293 on the Carnival Panorama, third cruise, third voyage that this vessel's been on. I'm so glad to be here. Happy 21st anniversary to my wife and I. She doesn't want to be on it. She's hiding. Good. She does not give permission for me to put her on this. YouTube, I think she should sue me. I'll pay her. She's worth it. I love my wife, and I'm so grateful to be here. All you, God bless you. Happy New Year.